With sharp images and outstanding texture, the design is beautifully rendered on the acrylic sheet. Now, let's take a look at the complete printing process. Visual positioning. First, scan the object. Save the scan in TIFF format. Open the Reing software and keep it running in the background. Open Vision Print software, Visual Positioning section. Import the desired pattern. Set the scale ratio to 25%. This is the default recognition size defined by the system. Import the scanned image used for visual positioning. Click Draw Rectangle to define the drawing area. Draw the outline. Click Difference to remove duplicate lines using the drawing tool. Once done, click Parameter Settings. Adjust the minute score value, then click Find to locate the target area and ensure the scanned outline is accurate. After successful positioning, adjust the object's design as needed. Manually adjust the size and position of the image. After configuration, click Save Model. Start the print task.